Today I have a fun little project. What we have here is the back of the front seats. We have what is a hook that you can hang things on. But the most interesting thing about this is that this is a bolt that goes in an opening. I'll unscrew it and show you. And this happens to be an M8 bolt with a, I think it was a 1.25 thread count. So this is what we're going to be replacing today, and I'll show you what I'm going to be putting in right after this. Here's a close-up of the hook that is on the back of the front seats. Like I mentioned, this is an M8 with a 1.25 thread on it. And what we're going to be doing is using something very similar that will fit into this opening on the car. I ordered some parts from Amazon, which is my favorite place to get things. And let's see, what will I open first? Okay, this is the most important part here. So let me open this one up. What this is a 1-inch standard ball for mounting, and it has an M8 bolt at the end. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the car and we're going to mount stuff to it. So let me put this over here for a second and show you the next piece of this kit. Let me open this up. All right, so this is a ball mount adapter which will attach the ball on this side. Let's see if I open it up and show you how that works. Then I can screw it down, and now you can see that this will fit into the car right here, the back of the seat. And now this is what I'm going to use on this end as another ball mount for an attachment. So let me show you how that works. Let me open this box up. And let's open this. And what we have here is a phone holder. So you can attach a phone to this, for example, like this. And what's neat about this is it has 1/4-inch camera thread mounts that you can attach things. So what I'm going to do in that package is it has the 1-inch ball with the 1/4-inch mount. So what I'll do is I can attach this here. Now we have a solid surface. I'm going to open this up. May have to open this all the way. There we go. Now I'll screw this down, and you'll see the method to my madness here. So now we can take this in the back, attach this to the car, then you can adjust it all different ways. If you want to have a phone or even a tablet, you can probably get larger versions of this for tablets, so you can have a tablet on the back of your front seat. So you can see it's very adjustable. You can have different angles. And then when you're happy with the angle that you have the mount at, you just tighten up on the end here and it's locked into place. So let's put it in the car and see what it looks like. All right, now for the test. Here's the mount device that I created. We insert it into the opening. Make sure you're doing it at a 90-degree angle. At least a dozen turns. Now it is fully locked in. We can adjust how we want to have the mount. For example, if we want it like this position, I just turn the knob, lock it in. Then I could take a phone like this. I can use it in this position. Or if I want, I can rotate it around. I'll loosen it up. And I could put it in this position. You can get these in different sizes, all the way up to tablet size. So if you want to have a long trip and have something to watch, this is a great solution for that. The arms, you can get these in all different lengths. This is I think it's a 2 3/4 inch length. They also sell 4-inch, 6-inch, and many other different sizes. As long as it supports the 1-inch ball connector, it should work fine. And you know what? I am going to show you another way to mount. I'll take this off the end. And let me get the other mount. Here's another example of a mount. This one is for MagSafe. So let me mount this one like this. And you can attach a MagSafe compatible phone or device to it. And you can adjust it like that. So very flexible. You can store this out of the way if not being used, or just remove it altogether. So I think this is a pretty cool add-on device for your Fisker Ocean for the back of the front seat mount that uses the M8 bolt in the opening.
Well, that concludes the front seat hook modification to allow phones and other devices to be mounted on the back of the seat. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. I have lots of other Fisker Ocean videos that I'm working on for you. See the links in the video description for a variety of attachments, including those I showed today. Leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.